Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on your Android mobile device. We'll cover both official and unofficial methods, ensuring you have all the information needed to get started. First, we'll look at preparing your device and understanding the basic requirements. Then, we'll dive into the different ways you can experience this iconic game, whether through cloud services or fan-made adaptations. Let's get you ready for some survival horror. One of the most straightforward ways to play Resident Evil 4 is through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game directly to your device, requiring a strong and stable internet connection. We recommend a minimum of 50 megabits per second for the best experience. Many services also support external controllers, which can significantly improve gameplay over touch controls. This method often provides the most reliable and high-quality experience. Another option involves unofficial methods like emulation or fan-made ports. These often require downloading specific game files and an emulator application. It's crucial to ensure your Android device meets the minimum system requirements for these to run smoothly, typically needing at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a capable processor. Always download from trusted sources to avoid security risks. While these methods can be more complex, they offer a direct way to play. To get the best performance, optimize your device and game settings. Start by closing all unnecessary background applications to free up RAM and processor power. Within the game, experiment with graphics settings. Lowering resolution or texture quality can significantly boost frame rates. For a truly immersive experience, consider investing in a dedicated Bluetooth gaming controller. This will provide much greater precision and comfort than touch controls, enhancing your survival horror adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.